Hey, if you're over 40, maybe 50, 60, and you've ever thought, I'm too late to start something new, I want you to stop right there. That's not true. In fact, the stage of life you're in right now, it might actually be the best time to start building something for your future. And if you're feeling that weight, that pressure, worried about how you're going to fund retirement, I get it. I've been there. That's why I put together a free blueprint that shows you step by step how I started earning online. No fancy tech, no hype, just something real. You can grab it at www.prosperitygameplan.com. I promise it'll help. You're not too late. You're right on time. You've got life experience that younger folks just don't. You've raised kids, run households, maybe led teams at work. You know how to stick with something, how to push through the hard stuff. That kind of grit? It's gold when you're building a business. Most successful business owners didn't start in their 20s. Here's a fun fact. The average successful entrepreneur is actually around 45. Why? Because we've lived. We've learned. And when we build something, we build it with purpose. You're focused on stability, not chasing trends. You're not out here trying to be the next viral star or jump on the latest get-rich-quick scheme. You're trying to build something solid for your family, your future, your peace of mind. And that's exactly the right mindset. Tell me in the comments, what's held you back from starting something online? I'd love to hear where you're at. And hey, if this is clicking with you, don't just watch. Grab that free blueprint at www.prosperitygameplan.com. It's everything I wish I'd had when I started, laid out step by step. Online income is simpler than you think. You don't have to come up with your own product. That's what stopped me at first. I thought I had to invent something or be some kind of genius. Nope. There are ready-made programs, like the Legacy Builder 2.0, that give you the tools so you can just plug in and get started. No cold DMs or awkward sales calls. You don't have to chase people or beg your friends and family. You set things up so the right people come to you. Folks who are looking for what you're offering. You don't need to go viral. A few hundred good connections can change your life. You're not building a fan club, you're building income. What's been the most intimidating part of online business for you? Drop it in the comments. Maybe I can help clear it up. What helped me get started without all the tech stress? I followed a plan, not a guess. I didn't waste time trying to piece together free info from a million places. I found a system that showed me exactly what to do. I had people in my corner. I wasn't out here figuring it out alone. There was a community, real folks just like me, who helped me stay on track. The tools were ready for me. I didn't have to build a website from scratch or figure out funnels. Legacy Builder 2.0 had it all set up. I just had to personalize it. What would an extra few $100s a month mean for your retirement plan? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious. You're not too late. And I promise, if I can do this, you can too. Go grab that free blueprint at www.prosperitygameplan.com. Let's build something that gives you peace of mind and supports the people you care about.